Welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to create marketing email. Okay, so there's a lot of different ways that you can go about this. I have two methods and two strategies in this video, so we're going to jump in real fast. Okay, so I actually am a member of a program called the Home Business Academy. I've been a member for about a year now. It's an awesome affiliate training program that can take you from point A to point Z on how to become a really good affiliate marketer and all the different traffic methods that you could ever even think of. They have training on all of that, and so you can pick one and then go to town on it, right? But in this case, as far as emails, there's different products that you can purchase within the Home Business Academy. If you're interested in anything that I'm sharing with you today, the first link in the description will actually lead you to an email form where you would need to put in your name and email address, sign up to that, and then you will have a chance to be able to get into the Home Business Academy for just $25. So if you are interested in this, then it's a great opportunity. The company offers 80% commissions to anybody that joins the program. They have premium products that you can promote and get 80% commissions for. And more importantly, they are reoccurring commission models. So everything that you sell, you're going to be able to make a reoccurring commission every single month. So you can just focus on making a sale one time and then being paid multiple times, month after month after month for that. Okay. But one of the products inside of here that pertains to today's topic, right, which is creating marketing emails. Well, you can actually let somebody else, highly professional people, do the email creations for you. And right here, you're going to see one of the products I own is right here, Ultimate Email Swipe. And if I click on this, I own this product. And you would get access to this product if you actually sign up to the new deal that the Home Business Academy has right now, which is at $25. You actually get access to this, which is, they've never done this before. I actually had to buy this right out and spend money on just this product alone when I signed up a year ago. So you have top emails from top producers, multi-million-dollar marketers online that you will actually get the Ultimate Email Swipe file, and you can get it in a PDF right here. Now this is right here, how to have an endless supply of the world's best email swipe delivered to your inbox daily for free right here. So there's an audio right here. And then you have how to set up your email swipes inside of here. They teach you everything that you need to know about how to get this set up for you. And then right here, you're going to get the 50 done for you emails swipe, and you can just download that, and you're going to get 50 highly professional top. The open rates on these were pulled from their top percentage of open rates. Okay, so you'd have I can't unfortunately show you that. I don't want to give any of the value or the premium membership of what you would be people have to pay for. I can't show that on screen, right? But this is a good way, and I've used this and I've built my list with these email swipes. So this is a way is that you can actually just get a pack like this, right? And this isn't the only pack that there is online. I'm just sharing that this is what I've done. So the next strategy that you can use, which is super cool, and it's custom, and it's something that I do when I'm marketing a new product, right? So let's go and find a new product real quick. So if I go over here and we go to, let's say we are promoting some make money online niche type products, or even better, let's say we're doing like coloring books or something like that, like done for you yoga and chakras. That could work as well. This one right here, the secret to overcoming imposter syndrome. Okay. So you could use something like this as well. Let's just make it kind of easy. So we've got this, the way to a healthy life, PLR. Okay. So a lot of times what you can do is go and check out the sales page. And from a marketing standpoint, this is the information you would need as a marketer in order to go and try to sell this to your audience or your email list. Okay, so we have some data right here. We can come through here And we know that the way to a healthy life PLR. Okay, so what we would do is come into this software that I use on a daily basis, and there are a ton of artificial intelligence or AI writers out there, but Jasper is the king in my opinion, and I've tried most of them out, and I'm talking about dozens and dozens of these softwares. And some of them are really good at certain things, but Jasper can write any kind of content for you very quickly with high quality. And it just is the most diverse, in my opinion, from all the AI content writers. It is a little bit more on the pricier end in comparison with many of the other ones. No, it's not a lifetime deal. But you can actually pick this up for as low as $29 for the email copywriting. You would only need the $29 plan right here, okay? And this would get you started, and you would be fine for just writing emails for the month. But once you want to start using it to create blog posts and such, you're going to probably need at least the 50,000 words right here. 50,000. Right there. And it's $59 a month, and you get 50,000 words, and it's great for probably creating about 20 blog posts, all your emails, everything. So it's a good starter pack, and then you can work your way up to the $100 plan if you needed 100,000 words or more. Okay, so that's how the way the pricing works. But I find that you do pay for what you get with most things in life, right? If you're going to go out and buy a guitar, and you go out and buy a Taylor guitar or a Gibson guitar, you're going to pay, or a Martin acoustic guitar, you're going to pay top dollar for those, right? You're going to spend $1,000 or more on the guitar. And if you buy a $300 or $200 guitar, they are going to sound different. They are going to feel different. They're going to be made out of different materials. They're going to be made out of different wood and such, right? So you do pay for the resources that Jasper gives you. They have a large company with a lot of employees. They're based out of Austin, Texas, and it's a real serious company. It's not just one or two people that coded this and it's not updated and they don't have the resources and it's bogged down and slow. No, they're on this. This is a multi-million-dollar project and so forth. So really, really cool stuff. I'm going to go ahead and log in real quick. So in the dashboard over here, what you can do is go over to templates right here. And it's super cool because you look at all these different modules over here, but you can actually go to email, and they actually have their own email module over here. So you can do persuasive bullet points, personalized cold emails, and email subject lines. So we can click on email subject lines, come back over to this, and we're going to say the way to a healthy life PLR. I'm going to copy this and we'll go back in to Jasper and the product name right here. We're just going to say Witty's cool, and what is the email about? We're going to go in here and grab some content. So I'm going to say right here, and we're going to grab this. We can just grab this content right here. We're going to copy this. We're going to go back into Jasper, and we're going to paste this as text. And so we have enough in here. I wasn't able to take the section headlines. That's totally fine. But we have enough in here to tell the software about what we are talking about. I want to add the last quotes right there. And then we can go up down here and push more outputs. I'm going to go with 4 on this one and generate content right here. So we have email subject lines based on this. The real solution to a happy life, real solution for those who want to lose weight, look and feel younger, right? And so that you could be using this as a way to sell to an actual fitness audience, right? You would gear this, if you wanted to sell this as the PLR offer to other affiliates, then you would write it a little different. But in this case, if you had a fitness audience and you were selling this product to them, this is the way you could do it, right? So we're going to take this one. I'm going to say copy to clipboard, right? We can actually open up a notepad and just put that in there so we don't lose it. Then we're going to go back here and go back to emails, and then you can actually use a personalized cold email right here if you wanted to. I can show you that real fast. Tell us about your product. So you would just put that in right here, and then you would also go back and grab this product right here. I'm actually going to open up a new notepad and paste this in and try to get rid of some of the extra spaces. because that does actually take characters. And we'll throw that in right here as much as we can. And then you can go down here, context to include in the email. Click the link below to check it out, something like that. And you can change the tone of voice if you want, but we're going to go like this. Boom. So it's going to go out and write a cold email, and then we can make adjustments to the email and what it produces. You can see it's very fast. And so right here, you can just say, hey, hi friend, or something like that. I came across this ebook on the internet that I thought you would be interested in. It is titled The Way to a Healthy Life. And it's all about how to live healthier and have a better life. Presented as an easy to understand guide, the book takes readers from top to bottom by teaching them everything they need to know about their body, mind, and food. In today's world, we are bombarded with advertisements for unhealthy options such as fast food or instant coffee. This transformational guide contains everything you need to know about your body, mind, and food, tips to help you live longer, younger, and healthier. The blueprint is over 400 pages of this high-quality content, which includes interviews and so forth, right? So you can come through here, and there's different ones that you can look at, right? So this one would be really, really good. I like this one. You could copy this. You can actually add to favorites. You can also copy this and come in here to your notepad and just say right here, email 1 maybe. Okay. So if you wanted to come back in and use another module, this works really, really good, right? I'm going to go ahead and copy this part right here, and we're going to go into templates. And then you can come over here to like advertising or frameworks right here. And you can have the different ones right here. If you have a problem, feature to benefit, before and after. So you can use these different templates, right? And so I'm going to go ahead and throw this one in here. And then we're going to go and grab the title. And then we can go and click this one as well. So you can use different frameworks, and it's going to come up with different marketing copy for us. And this system does it all for us, like right here. The problem, aging is a natural process that happens to all of us, but it doesn't mean that we have to just sit back and let it happen. As we age, our bodies change, and we can start to feel tired more easily. Our muscles might not be as strong as they used to be, and we might gain weight more easily. So there's a solution, right? They need this product. The Way to a Healthy Life is the real solution for anyone who wants to look and feel younger, boost their athletic performance, sleep better, eat healthier, and improve their overall health and fitness. This guide contains everything you need to know about how your body works, from tips on how to reserve the aging process and live longer, younger lives to add, and it's a perfect length too. You don't want your emails to be too long, but you can see you could easily use this one as another email, like, right? So you can come over here and actually write an email campaign. You can say email 2, right? And so now you have this email campaign. You're using the different tools in here. It's writing them in different ways, because you can come back over here, go to templates, and go to frameworks. And now you could use the feature to benefit or benefit before and after framework, right? And you could, and it's just going to write you different emails depending on what you're looking at. So I would use the framework section, and then I would use the email section as well. And you really could actually use the long form assistant and start from scratch. And you could say, write Jasper, write me a sales email for the product. And then you could put this in right here, copy, right? Oops. Control Shift Enter, and it's going to go out there. I hope you're doing well. I'm writing because I think you'd be interested in a new product that I've been using. Lately, called The Way to a Healthy Life. It's an amazing product that has helped me improve my health and wellness significantly. If you're at all curious about the product, please check out the website below for more information. I think you'll be impressed by what you see. Thank you for your time, and I hope to see you soon. It literally took one little statement right here that we put in there, and it literally wrote an entire email for us. Just incredible, right? So this software is truly a game changer. We didn't even put anything in over here, title, content brief, anything, keywords, and it went and wrote us an email, a really nice email. You could add a little bit more tips in here if you wanted to. And you could borrow some more content from here. And you could actually even write 6 emails and 1 email for each one of these for your list, right? So there's so many things that you can do to create your marketing emails. So those are the 2 things. Have the done for you emails written for you already, and the email swipes. You can go check that out if you wish. And then also using Jasper as your main writing source and write these emails yourself works beautifully. So I hope you guys enjoyed the content today. Hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more ideas and more tutorials on how to do marketing, how to do affiliate marketing, how to make money online. I'll see you in the next video.